Oh, hey there, I see you. Okay, in this video, showing you how to get a bird's nest out. I'm gonna let it go. Oh, don't get a bird's nest. It's too good. It's too good. Now you get a bird's nest either.
Can't sit and take your finger off.
My finger was off the whole time. I just went like this. Okay. Okay. This is a video I should get the bad bird's nests out, not those little ones. That's what you want right there. Okay, we don't want that. You're gonna pull it, you're gonna get to a point where you can't pull it anymore. Oh. Then you wanna take your finger and just fingernail. You're gonna have to do it a couple times. I've never had a bird's nest where I can't get out. Do it again. You can also try pulling on those little. And now you do it again. There we go, we got that too. Oh, no. Pull real hard, it'll come out. So, hot out. And you just keep pulling, pulling. Always keep pressure on it, or you just keep getting. There we go. There you go.